guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ngayon, isi-share ko sa inyo ano yung makeup routine ko pag nagmamadali ako. For my face, I'm using Pink by Pure Beauty So Blur Cream. I-apply ko siya sa face ko gamit ang Master Brush by Maybelline. Tapos, for my blush on, I'm using Magic Pink Cream by Sophie Paris. I'm just using my finger to blend. Kasi, mas mabilis siya. Tapos, lalagyan ko ng konti yung nose. Yan. Para pag pinawisan ka, parang naarawan ka lang, o, diba? Ganun yung effect niya. Tapos, ang maganda dito, guys, kahit pawisan ka talaga, hindi siya basta-basta natatanggal. Nandun pa rin siya. Yan. After that, gamit tayo ng brow gel ng Careline. After that, magka-curl lash tayo. And then, for my mascara, I'm using Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. After the mascara, gagamit tayo ng Nichido Matte Finish Makeup Setting Spray. I'll just spray it all over my face.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Tapos papatuyuin ko lang siya. Yun, and that's it. Ganun na siya kabilis. Ito lang ginamit ko. Brush, mascara, curl lash, brow gel, and then eyebrow pencil. At saka, itong Magic Pink Cream by Sophie. Yan lang. Konti lang kailangan mo para magmukhang fresh. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. God bless. Bye!